Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here we are having example 11.1 from chapter 11 sound, and this question is there in page number 132. Here the question is a sound wave of frequency 2 kilohertz. So writing the symbol of frequency as nu, which is 2 kilohertz given. When I say 2 kilohertz, it is 20,000 hertz. As we know that in 1 kilohertz it is having 1000 hertz, so we have converted this kilohertz to hertz, and a wavelength of 35 centimeter. So symbol of wavelength is lambda, which is 35 centimeter. I need to convert it into meter, so centimeter to meter I need to divide by 100. 35 divided by 100 meter, it is 0.35 meter. Then the question is how long it will take to travel 1.5 kilometer. Means distance is given 1.5 kilometer. If I say 1.5 kilometer, it means 1.5, I need to convert the kilometer into meter, it will be 1000 meter. So it is 1.5 multiplied with 1000 meter. This distance it need to travel, and it will take how much time we need to find. So first of all we need to see here what is actually given. It is frequency and it is wavelength. We know the relationship that nu is equal to speed upon wavelength. Then speed is equal to nu multiplied with wavelength. So first I will calculate the speed of sound. So here you will see that the values which are given, frequency is 20,000 hertz, or you can say cycle per second, multiply with lambda, that is 0.35 meter. So what I will do, it is 20,000 multiply with 35. If I remove the decimal, I need to keep 100 down as denominator. It will be meter per second. These two zeros I will cancel here, and 35 is multiplied with 200. So 35 multiplied with 2, it will be 70, and two zeros will be there. So it is 7000 meter per second. It is 7000 meter per second. Somewhere